I think the big theme, the title of the presentation was, is it all coming to an end? And that's meant to allude to the fact that this sector, young, vibrant, still growing aggressively, maybe not as aggressive as before, but is facing one of the biggest challenges in its history, probably the biggest challenge, which is the presence of Amazon Web Services. And so I think a lot of my discussion and analysis of the themes and the trends that are important kind of relate to how Amazon is impacting the ability of hosters to continue growing and to continue to serve customers in this market, in the US, in Canada, across Europe and around the world. I think that's the interesting thing about this business. It's pretty consistent, it's pretty steady, it grows incrementally. There's not a lot of, churn rates have consistently across all different segments have always been pretty low. New customer acquisitions are, slowing, but they're still there, and existing customers grow. So I think what you'll see is an industry that continues to grow step by step, kind of server by server, customer by customer. And I don't think that will change. The pace at which that happens probably will oscillate to a certain degree for various reasons. But I expect this industry to be, vibrant and alive 5 to 10 years from now, and we'll be talking about cooler technology and bigger and better companies. I really think maybe next year we will be thinking. I think at this event, I think it was the first time we really talked about things like managed AWS. I know that was a part of my presentation. I think that while there's a lot of competitive implications for their presence in the market, at the same time there's going to be opportunity, as we see with some companies actually working with Amazon, using their infrastructure and their platform and adding value on top. So there's increasing momentum there, and I think that's a new topic. I think a relatively new topic that will be discussed more next year.